Are you tired of waking up to the grinding, squeaking, or rattling sounds of your garage door every morning? These noises are not just annoying, they could signal a lack of lubrication, worn parts, or misalignment, which can lead to bigger problems down the road. If you're in the Huntley area, take action now. Call us at 040-977-4111 for expert garage door repair. Our team of qualified professionals is ready to ensure your garage door operates smoothly and quietly with the right fix. Contact us today and say goodbye to those irritating garage door noises.